Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Carfax one owner, very nice, only 3,335 miles. S trim. EPA 28 mpg highway/21 mpg city. nav system, all-wheel drive, cross-traffic alert, aluminum wheels, turbocharged engine. Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Buy with confidence. Experts are saying, newcartestdrive.com's review says simply gorgeous in design. The new Jaguar E-PACE hits the jackpot in technology, offering true torque vectoring to strengthen its handling potential. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at saferegard.gov.